So in this question number 1, which of the following numerical expressions gives the number of moles in 5 grams of calcium oxide? We know that the relationship between the mole, the mass, and the molar mass is telling us that moles is equal to mass divided by the molar mass. Let's look at the options that we have. We have the number of moles required to find. We have the mass as 5 grams, and calcium oxide molar mass is 40 plus 16, so that's equal to 56. So this means that in order to find the number of moles, we have to divide the mass, which is the 5 grams, by the molar mass, which is the 56 grams by mole, and this is the correct answer. In option A, this multiplies the mass by the molar mass instead of dividing the mass by the molar mass, which is wrong. We need to divide, not to multiply. The third one, it flips the numbers around. So dividing the 56 by 5, that's not correct because the formula has mass on top and the molar mass on the bottom, not the opposite. And in number D, that's a reciprocal. So this is a reciprocal of the mass and the reciprocal of the molar mass. It has an extra fraction, which is unnecessarily complicated and incorrect. So our option B is the correct answer.